Okay, the sparkle on those is beautiful. Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I am super excited because I have the honour and the privilege of presenting you with one of the first sneak peek looks at the new canvases from Bella Art Diamonds. So at the end of this month, around September 26th, they will be releasing 17 new kits. They will be available in square and round. And yeah, I have my one that I'm going to be sharing with you. So I'm super excited to share it with you. So here goes. Now, first things to say first is that you will notice my canvas is still in the Mary's Diamonds box. If you don't already know, Bella Art Diamonds took over Mary's Diamonds. And rather than waste the boxes that were already existing, they've decided to use these boxes until they run out to save on wastage. You know, saves money, saves the planet, works for me. However, some people will be seeing the new boxes and they are very swanky. So yeah, just slight shame that I didn't get one, but that's fine. So yeah, the new, everything else about this though is new. So on the end of the box, we have a little image of what the canvas will be. You can see that I have been lucky enough to get Leo Teacup, which is licensed from Hey Solil Art. So let's get inside and waste no more time on this. I will also put a link up to my previous Bella Art Diamonds unboxing, which was about a month ago, I suppose. It'll be interesting to look at any differences. Get rid of the crinkly bit. So here we go. Oh, okay. First things first, as it flies out of the end of the packet, we have the exclusive Bella Art tray. Yeah, so this is the white Bella Art de Nicole Essential Tray. For those of you that don't know, Bella Art Diamonds is owned by the same people that own Bella Art de Nicole, and they make really lovely 3D printed trays. So every time you buy a kit, you will also get one of their essential trays. They are really nice to use, and I particularly have found that I like using this tray when I'm doing a larger special drill type painting as well, because the spout is big enough for me to pour them out afterwards. So just as a little extra. So let's have a look at this canvas and then we'll look at the rest of the kit and bits and pieces in a moment. So, okay. Beautiful sticker with the image on. So here we go. So this is Leo Teacup, as we said. I really like this imagery. So lovely. And yeah, I would hope that we will eventually end up with a whole set of star sign teacups, because I would definitely be interested in collecting those. And then we have our labels here, which are all individually cut, so they're nice and easy to peel off and put on your storage jars or straight onto your packets if you wished. And you will also see on here, on the legend, that drill number 1 is symbol number 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7, 8 is 8. So that will always be the case, that those numbers and symbols will be in order. So that's really good, because I know it drives people mad when they are, you know, drill number 1 is symbol number 3, and for some people it just baffles their brain, and I completely get that. So it's a really nice addition. Also worth noting that the rounds and the squares are now resin drills. Previously that was not the case. The rounds from previous kits will have been acrylic, so now everything is resin. And the image itself has been hand rendered. So again, these lovely extra touches that make all the difference to how a picture comes out in the end. So let's get this unfurled. I can tell you it's beautifully clear canvas. Really, really love it. I'm going to bring you down so that you can have a look at those symbols on the canvas. Oh, a little bit of camera shake going on there. So you can see this particular design, we're going to have plenty of colour blocking to do. There's no areas of confetti particularly at all, but it's not the sort of image that would warrant that. And you can see that they've used shading where it does in fact enhance the image. We have got the Bella Art Diamonds hashtag, their logo and their details at the top. One of my favourite features of their canvases is that on the bottom left you will see you've got your legend down here, and then if you flip your canvas, the bottom left, once flipped, so top right, there is a flipped version of the legend, so that if you're working upside down you can still see the legend the correct way up. So this is just lovely and I genuinely can't wait to start working on it. We have got, again, I'll bring you down. You can just see there are some very, very faint guidelines on the pale colours, but you can barely see them at all on the darker colours, which is fine. We have got 1, 2, 3, we've got 4 ABs in this kit. It is a 50 by 50. Yep, 50 by 50 printed size, so your actual canvas will be a little bit bigger if you're looking at framing. It is so lovely. We've got of course poured glue, lovely thick cover on there, really nice glue. Let's have a little look at the kit and the diamonds. So we've already seen the essentials tray, but in addition to that, you will get a standard pen with a single placer and a 3 placer. You will also get a 5 and a, I think it's a 9. Oh, we get 3 plates of blue wax that go into its little caddy. That one has come undone. You will get a squishy to save your fingers when you're using your pen. That will just go on there like that, so that it just makes it a bit more comfortable. You will get some good quality metal tweezers. They're very sharp on the end, so remember to keep the lid on when not in use. And you will get a random washi tape. This one is yellow with white polka dots, I think. It's difficult to see in this light. Yeah, so it's a yellow with white spots. And you can use that however you want. You can use it around the edge of your canvas, which is what I normally do. Place it around the edge, just where the sticky might overlap onto the edging. Or you can use it to section your canvas. People use it however they like, or you can just keep it for other things. It's a very nice, comprehensive toolkit. So, diamonds. This will be a little crinkly to start.
It's important to show you these on this occasion.
Okay, so our diamonds come pre-bagged in resealable baggies, which is always lovely. You will also find that they have been packed in order. So you can see, yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all in order in here, which means down this end we've got our bags of ABs. So here we've got a lovely yellow AB, that's 307 with an AB coating. For those of you that don't know, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's that shiny, extra metallic-y sort of coating on the top that gives an extra dimension and colour shift. We've got an orange AB, lovely sort of pumpkin orange there. We've got a green AB, and we've got our white AB, which never shows up particularly well on camera, but that's pretty good. All the drills that I've looked at look particularly good in terms of quality. Looking at black drills is always, you'll find the most trash in a black drill, and I think those are looking good. Let's pop them in a tray and have a look at a real test. Okay, the sparkle on those is beautiful. I can see, there's no little knobbly bits, nothing that looks like it's going to cause me a problem. Yeah, really, really nice. I like that a lot. Oh, come on. Here we go. So we've got our diamonds there. I'm not going to show you all of them. Obviously you can see we have got those lovely autumnal colours. This is the perfect time of year to be working on this canvas. All of this sort of wine red colour is going to be in the background. That is 814. I am so excited to start working on this. It's going to be beautiful. And yeah, although we are not in Leo season, I think these colours really lend themselves to that kind of autumnal feeling. Anyway, I'm definitely going to have some autumn vibes while I work on this. It's really, really beautiful. So just checking if there's anything else I need to tell you. As I've already mentioned, there will be 17 new kits in round and square that will be made available towards the end of this month. We're aiming for the 26th of September around 1:30 Mountain Daylight Time. If you are interested, you need to pop over to the Bella Art Diamonds website. That's bellaartdiamonds.com, and you will then be able to check out all of the new releases, find out all the prices. All the information will be there for you. I am going to begin working on this now, and I will be popping up some pictures on the socials so that you can see my progress, and I will hopefully have a finish for you sooner rather than later. If you have got any questions about this new kit, feel free to pop them down in the comments. If I can't answer your question, then I'm sure that Nicole or Jamie will be happy to. Alternatively, of course, you can go and follow them on their socials and check them out over there. Also, remember to pop over and look at Hey Solil Art. I really enjoy their artwork, so do go and give them a follow on Instagram as well. Thank you to Jamie and Nicole at Bella Art Diamonds and Bella Art de Nicole for allowing me to do this sneak peek and sharing my excitement with you all. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you will like it, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe come over to Facebook and check out the Crafty Coven. So that is all from me for today. I will be back with an update as soon as possible. Thank you to everybody that watches this. A big special thank you to my Patreons. And until next time, stay crafty.